Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
मे 2019 मोगो सोडून गेल्ल्या दोनूय आमदारां आड सुदीन ढवळीकारान एका फाटोफाट 2 अपात्रता याचिका सभापती मुखार घाल्ल्यो. तातूंतली एक फाटीं घेतली. दोनांतलो खंयचो अर्ज फाटीं घेता तें विचारूंक म्हूण सभापतीन सुदिनाक बुधवारा सांजे आपल्या चेंबरांत आपयल्लो. सभापती मोगोचे याचिकेचेर निकाल दितलो म्हूण दीसभर चर्चा चलताली. सुदीन आदोगादाक घेवन सभापती मुखार हाजीर जालो.
There were two petitions. One petition we filed on 3rd May 2019, 20 and 2019, and second petition what he filed was on 10th. So each question was whether we are withdrawing one of the petition. Actually, my advocate has already told him last time that we already want to withdraw third.
We will not be pressing for it.
Pressing for it.
Subsequent petition we are ready to go ahead.
And we will withdraw first, that is third. Today we have given in writing stating that we are withdrawing.
So तुम्ही अजूनही कॉन्फिडंट आसा तुम्ही
See, I know that a lot of judgments in the favor of NPP. Recently during election time, many people filed cases against us, which we won in the lower courts as well as in the high courts. Everybody knows. We published bulletins also.
सुप्रीम कोर्टाचे मॅटर आता केन्ना लिस्ट केल्ले?
Tentatively it was supposed to be listed on 8th, but one does not know because I personally am not aware of it. But tentatively it was supposed to be taken up on 8th.
नेक्स्ट डेट खबर ना.
I am not sure about this.
दोन्ही पेटिशनामध्ये डिफरन्स कितें आसलो?
There was a non-compliance of rules per se. There is nothing more to that.
कंटेंट सेम आसलो.
Contents are same. Everything is. You see that is all settled by the constitutional bench of the Honorable Apex Court. So we can't argue much on that, and the law is settled 4 decades back. So we just have to 2-3 decades back. So we just have to go and comply with it because 10th schedule is an authority, and he is the one who has to decide all this. So we leave it to his wisdom.
रिजल्ट केन्ना पर्यंत?
Nobody can predict.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
also we can't predict because the difficulty here is even today the only message that we got from the Honorable Speaker was that he will inform us similar the way he informed us today for the decision. It is applicable here, that's the reason we have gone there. We relied on the same judgment for seeking similar directions. So now that the Honorable Speaker has heard us, so now we await the call on the same.
But तुमका दिसना ती रोखडी एकदा अर्ज जावपा जाय की तो येवपा जाय रिजल्ट.
See, the Honorable Apex Court has already laid down the law in that Manipur judgment. It has already stated that the Speaker has to decide within the period of 3 months. Because the intention is that the persons who breach the mandate should not be allowed to continue. Now, if that is a law which is laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in view of Article 142 of the Constitution, the same has to be complied, no matter what. So, similar compliance and with a similar hope, we also approached the Honorable Apex Court for similar directions. Now, before the matter could be concluded, the Honorable Speaker in his wisdom has taken up the matter, he's heard us finally. So better late than never. So that's the only thing we can say.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक सिलकार आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.